What's good, YouTube? As you can see by the title, I am finishing unfinished projects. Basically what that means is that I'm finishing projects that I started months ago and also projects that couldn't be one video because they're way too short. So I added them all to one video. In total, it is 4 projects in this video. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into it. So these are the materials I'm using for the belt. This is a belt hole puncher, interfacing, glue for the patchwork, tape, measuring tape, and seam ripper, thread snips, and scissors, and belts for reference. This is the belt loop that I'm using, and this denim actually came from jeans that I cut off because they were too long, so I decided to make it into a belt. I started this project like probably in January or something, I don't know, but I filmed this with my camera, so the quality is very different. But this is me seam ripping the hem from this, and then I'm gonna cut it. So this is it, all cut and seam ripped, and those were the other pieces. So I added the interface into one piece, and this is it ironed down. So I'm gonna put that on top of this, and then we're gonna fold it over and sew it. This is it ironed and folded over. Now we just have to sew it. I'm pretty sure this is what messed up my machine a little bit because it was very thick, and I don't think my machine liked that. So this is it all sewed together. I have to iron it again, but I actually made the holes to hole punch, marked it with a marker. And this is it with the holes. And this is supposed to be the belt loop thing, I don't know. But as you can see, this is the finished product. I did not record the rest of this process, so this is it right here. This piece is available on my website right now, wakeupsaturn.com. This is the next project I'm doing. The ones on the right are the ones that I'm doing. My mom wanted me to make these longer. So this is me seam ripping the pant legs. So the idea is that I'm going to add more denim, but with a flat felt seam. This is me ironing the hem. But this is all of the denim that I'm using for the pant leg. This is me cutting off unnecessary strings and stuff. And this is me pinning everything together. So this is it all pinned together. Now we have to sew it. This is me pinning the denim on the pant leg. I had to seam rip the inseam a little bit so I could get that flat felt seam right. Now we're sewing the flat felt seam. This is the finished product. This is the pant leg. I added a mini flare because my mom said that it was a little too tight on the ankles, so we added a mini flare there. And this is the back. So this next project this was a scarf, but I cut it into 3 parts. This is the first hat that I did. So we're gonna make the other 2 into hats also. This is me sewing the hat together. This is the first one, and that's the second one. As you can see, it's a little weird, but when you put it on, it doesn't look bad. This is me sewing the third hat. So these are all the hats done. First one, second one, third one. I love how they get smaller. But as you can see, the last one, it's like curved at the bottom, but it still looks the same as the other ones when you put it on. This is the first hat on head right here. This is the second one. This is the third one. Let me know if y'all want one of these. I'll list one of them on my website. I don't know about the other 2. But this next project is a project I started last year, probably in the summertime. But I did that, and I cut another hole in there because I was trying to make the lint not noticeable. But we're gonna make these into shorts, and I'm gonna wear them because they've been sitting for too long, so we need to do something with them. This is me seam ripping the inseam, and we already pinned the denim under the hole. So the inseam is all seam ripped. These are the flares that I cut out for the shorts. Right here we are sewing the hole, we're sewing the denim for the hole. And this is me doing the flares right here. These are the shorts done. They look a little weird, but on body they don't look that bad. I accidentally cut a hole into this, but I just left it because I didn't feel like patching that up. Just adds more character in my opinion. But these are the flares right here, you can kind of see that. This is the back. As you can see the flares, you can see them more clearly here. And this is the inside. I don't know why I showed this, but you guys go anyway. Did a 3/8 of an inch straight stitch, and then I zigzag stitched it. And this is the body right here. They look pretty cool in my opinion. And that is it for today's video. Hope you guys liked this one. Like and subscribe and comment down below which project was your favorite. The belt and 1 or 2 of the beanies are on my website right now. Link in the description. Also, I'm shipping worldwide, so international people, you guys can cop some of my pieces too. And that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.